Tierra JTV, put it on repeat, yeah. It's family, love, and fun. That's the motto for life. Yeah, you already know what's up. We about to turn up, have fun like we don't give a What's up? So y'all already know when we break the robe out, y'all know what time it is. It's time for a cute little try on haul. We haven't did a try on haul in so long, so I'm gonna start doing these little get dressed with me series. And today we're gonna be trying on some of these cute pieces I got from Jerly She. Shout out to Jerly She for sponsoring today's video. Y'all make sure to click those links down below. All the outfits that I'm wearing I will have them listed down below. Y'all make sure y'all go and shop for some cute cheap clothes, okay? Comment down below if you feeling this little get ready with me, get dressed with me spiel or whatever. So without further ado, let's get dressed for the day. Ding ding ding, we got a winner, girls. This is definitely my favorite out the bunch because it just fits perfectly. Like, I just love the V, I just love the look, I love the vibes. Like, this is just a cute dress, okay? Cute mama about to be stepping out in these streets. Once again, thank you Jerly She for sending us over these cute little pieces. Make sure to click those links down below to get your hands on some pieces over at Jerly She. Summertime is not over. Let's get our hands on these cute little dresses. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Alright, so we done getting dressed. Now let's go ahead and jump into the vlog. Hey y'all, what's up? Happy Saturday. I am on my way to get cute, get myself together for my vacation. I'm excited. Yeah, I just gotta get my whole life together, like pedicure, my hair, my lashes, just everything. So I'm starting off with my wax appointment. Y'all know we gotta get the kitty right for vacay. So I'm going to get a wax at this new place. I'm kind of nervous because I don't know. I mean, honestly, I've had somebody new every time do my waxing. I wish I could find the first girl that did my wax, but she does not work at the place, the waxing place no more. So I'm like, I don't even know how to find her. I wish I would have got like her personal information because she was talking about opening up her own little thing and everything. So I just really wish I would have got her information. But anyway, I'm gonna be trying someplace new today. I just pulled up just a little spot right around the corner from my house. So I hope they do me right, y'all. Cause the last girl that did my wax did not do what she was supposed to do. Like, I still had hair. Like, it wasn't a good experience. Like, the way she did it, her energy, I did not enjoy that wax. So I am praying I don't have a similar experience and that they do this kitty right. You know what I'm saying? You gotta treat her right. If y'all in the Lawrenceville area, Y'all gotta check out Maria at Brazilian Wax and Spa. This her own place. She showed me around. Like, she does facials, yoni steam, give you a glass of wine. I said, okay, Maria. That was the best wax I've ever had. It was so gentle. It was so quick. I mean, she did like 4 quadrants and was done. She had like a little bit of cleanup, and that was it. Like, normally it is so painful, but when I say this was the best wax I've ever had, she got it so smooth. She did her thing. Okay, this is my new spot, and it's right around the corner from my house. It's time to get these toes done. I'm trying out a new nail salon too, Magnolia, right here in Lawrenceville. So we gonna check them out. Yes, Magnolia is definitely a go. Okay, Lawrenceville did a great job. I got some natural lashes. I didn't get to get my regular like lash extensions because she didn't have time. I ain't had no appointment or nothing, so I was like, you know what, give me what you can give me. So she just did me some individuals. This got me wanting to stick to like natural lashes because I feel like these are so cute. Like, they're just so dainty and cute, y'all. The pedicure, oh my goodness. I know I'm always talking about this is my new spot, this is my new spot, but listen, this is probably my new spot for real, because I normally drive like to Midtown, and that's like 30 minutes away from me. So to have some good places locally is like really great for me, especially once my kids come back home and I'm into school mode again. Like, I only got a certain amount of time a day to go do what I gotta do. So having like some local places is definitely a go. Yeah, so I'm just excited. I done found a new spot, and it's nice and clean in there. In Lawrenceville, it's kind of hard finding like that luxurious like feel like with salons and stuff around here, but yeah, this definitely had that vibe, like nice and clean. Like, even the bathroom was super nice and clean, luxurious. They take good care of you. They real cool up in there. So, and I just found them on Google. I was like really looking last minute for nails, lashes, everything, and they popped up on Google. Bussin'. Well, I cannot wait to do my hair. Box braids coming soon, very soon. Made a little pit stop to not Best Buy, what is this place called? Bed Bath & Beyond. I had some curtains to take back that I didn't have for months. So I finally got those returned, and I'm just looking around. I never come in Bed Bath & Beyond, but they got so much cute stuff here, and I do need to get like a piece of I need to get so much. I'm gonna go to TJ Maxx too. Oh, they got the mirrors. I do need to get a couple mirrors. Little chill fit of the day. Ooh, cute. They got some nice mirrors. Well, this is the only one. I need 2 mirrors. One for my front, like, you know, entryway, and then one for my room. Oh, they got so much little cute stuff. Wow. I be sleeping on Bed Bath & Beyond, and their prices is not bad either. Ooh, it smells good over here, that candle station. Ooh, that's cute. I'm about to get me a real plant though, a real majesty palm. That's my next stop. Ooh, they got little tables here too. This is what I'm looking for too. I need to find a little table. That's cute. I don't know if that'll fit though. I'm trying to find a little end table for my balcony, and I need to find end tables for my living room. What? Light therapy? Oh, that's dope. Wow, alleviate winter blues. What? Bed Bath & Beyond just be having all the little gadgets and gadgets that you don't even think of on a regular day. It's a cute little wine tray. Oh, that's a cute little tray table. On the phone with my owl bow. Per use. Go ahead, spin it. He already showing me everything that he create with his Legos. This is what I'm looking for. Some curtains. The struggle with curtains for me is I'm trying to find like 100-inch curtains. So hard to find. And pink curtains. Oh my god, good luck. I found pink pillows. Y'all know I've been searching my whole life for pink pillows, and these are perfect. Like, the camera, I'm at the store, I'm shopping. The camera is not even doing it justice. Like, this is the perfect pink. Oh my gosh, yeah, I gotta grab these. And it's pink. This is my room color. It's pink and tan. Like, yes. I was also looking at these pink pillows. This is my color too, but I don't know if I like them that much. They only $16.99.
Talk to me.
Hi, Izzy.
Stop smushing me.
Hi, Izzy Wise.
I got a sword.
Let Isaac talk. Al be being a phone hog. Don't want nobody else to talk to me. We can all talk. We can all share. We can all talk. What's up, Ice?
I want to talk.
You want to talk? You finally want to talk to me? Yeah, Isaac was mad at me for a little bit. I think he was just like homesick or something. Cause he just was like, I want you. Like, where you at? Oh, Bed Bath & Body for the win, baby. I stocked up. Now we at Sally's. Look what I found. I found the red that I was looking for. It's so bright. I wonder will it really be super bright on my hair, because my hair is like sandy brown now because it got bleached from the sun. So I don't know, I feel like it's gonna be super bright. Right, I think I'm looking at these reds. This is giving me like fall time vibes. I like this one a lot. This is Red Hot. I like these orangey ones too though. I don't know. I look so bad. I gotta consult my stylist and see which color he think I should do. I'm low-key getting a little tired of shopping. Just left TJ Maxx and it was just too crazy in there. Like, seeing some cute stuff, I got it and I got on out because it was just so busy in there. But now I'm at HomeGoods. TJ Maxx was giving me anxiety, okay? So we gotta try HomeGoods where it's a little more peaceful. And it is definitely way more peaceful in here. Like, whoo, child, I can breathe. I hate shopping in cluttered or busy stores, so this is the vibe. Oh my goodness, y'all know what this means. You already know what's coming up. My time of the year got me tempted to buy a fake Majesty Palm, but I really wanted to get the real one from Lowe's, which is gonna be my next stop. But this is cute. Like, I like the basket. That's super cute. Okay, but the search is still on. I need to just find a couple little tables for my balcony. I actually saw one at TJ Maxx after I got in line, and that line was so long that I didn't want to get out. But I might go back and get that, and it was only like $19.99. Yeah, HomeGoods is doing me right already. I found my bedroom mirror, and I got this for my like entryway. We're gonna try it out. I think that's so cute. You walk in, you know what I'm saying, good vibes only, period. Okay, it's getting hot out here in these Georgia streets. This is store number, I don't even know. I'm honestly ready to go home, start on my hair, because oh my gosh, I'm leaving in the morning, so I need to do my hair. I still need to get packed. So yeah, we're gonna try to make this quick. We're at Lowe's, and this is the last thing that I'm getting today. I'm about to cry because normally the big Majesty Palms are like right here. I'm hoping that they just moved. So, OMG, I'm about to cry though. Oh, I do need to get some things to start my garden. I just want to start with like herbs, and I've never gardened before, so this is new, child. I did want my kids to plant their own pumpkins this year. Okay, we found the plant section. I really want to start like being a plant mom for real. All my plants are fake. So I want to teach myself how to really take care of a real plant. Like, I just think that'll be a fun little journey. Like, you know, and I'm about to really cry because I do not see the Majesty Palms. Like, are they really out of season? Wow, so this is what we got to work with. Look at the Majesty Palms. Yeah, when I came last time, they had them sky high. Like, they had the really tall ones, but they only got the little ones. I'm so sad. Okay, I found a few little things. I'm gonna be trying these out for my patio. I'm trying to create like a little light vibe out there. Y'all know how I be coming with my LED lights. I love these. These are this is the kind I always get, Utilitech. I got these for my room, I got these for my bar, so I'm gonna just get this too, just in case I don't like how these turn out. But I don't know, I just think this is gonna be the move because they wireless and you don't have to plug them in. So with these on my patio, I would have to, you know, figure out the plug situation and have an extension cord, try to tuck cords and all of that. So I don't know, we're gonna try something out, you know. I found a pillow, so I want to do black accents like for my balcony. So I'm trying to find like black pillows and, you know, black little things. We done shopping for the day. I'm tired, I'm going home. This is just so beautiful. On my balcony doing my hair. It's raining. It looks so pretty. You can hardly see it on camera, but it's just so peaceful. So beautiful. It's the vibes for me while I get my hair together. A whole vibe out here on my patio. I'm telling y'all, like, this is just my space. Like, this is like my little... I'm just so glad I got this done. Oh my god, did y'all see Don't Let Go? It's on HBO Max, y'all. This movie is just if y'all ain't see it, y'all gotta go watch that. Anyway, I'm just chilling, watching a movie, braiding my hair. Look at the ends. This is gonna be so cute. Little ombre going on. Y'all, I just cannot get over how nice this is. Like, even when it rains, it's just so pretty. Like, we got the stage going, we just vibing out. It's a vibe. I love this space. Like, this is probably my favorite, not probably, this is definitely my favorite space, my most favorite space of my apartment. Like, this patio. So glad I finally stopped procrastinating and I did it. And I just knew like this space was gonna be really good for me. I just am real big on spaces, especially my new little journey or whatever, finally getting to like decorate how I want and just have my vibe everywhere. It just, yeah, I don't know, it gives you a vibe. Like, you just be vibing. So I'm geeked, y'all, but I'll be back once I finish my braids. I'm gonna show you how they look. And we still gotta pack. I know, I'm raggedy to the 10th degree. Y'all already knew that. Y'all knew that. So yeah, let me finish my hair because it's already 8 o'clock. And we leaving in the morning. I think we're leaving at 8:39. Yeah, like 8:30, 9 o'clock. So I gotta get it in. I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm always last minute with a vacation. Ain't no different this time. Ain't nothing changed, girl. Anyway, girl, let me get to it.
Stay here for a lifetime underneath the moonlight. Cause I don't want us to go. No, I don't want us to go.